This video guides you through programming transponder keys for 1999 to 2008 Pontiac Montana models when all keys are lost. This is a DIY approach, but requires patience and the right tools. Understand that improper attempts can lock the system, requiring professional assistance. As of December 2025, aftermarket tools make this process more accessible, though risks remain. The Pontiac Montana uses GM's Passkey 3 immobilizer system. The key contains a passive RFID transponder chip that communicates a unique code to the vehicle's immobilizer module, known as the ECM or PCM. The engine starts only if the code matches, ensuring security. This system is designed to prevent theft by ensuring only authorized keys can start the engine. The key is a 10-cut key with an embedded transponder chip. To program a transponder key when all keys are lost on a 1999 to 2008 Pontiac Montana, you'll need several specific tools. First, a blank GM transponder key costs around $10 to $20. Ensure it's specifically designed for your vehicle's year to match the correct transponder frequency. Second, an OBD2 scanner can be helpful for diagnostics, allowing you to check the vehicle's systems and confirm the programming process. While not always required, it provides valuable troubleshooting information. Third, a multimeter is useful for checking electrical connections and verifying power to the ignition system. It helps ensure the vehicle's circuits are functioning properly before attempting programming. The standard DIY method to enter programming mode involves cycling the ignition 10 times within 10 seconds. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine, then back to off. Repeat this rapidly 10 times. This should enter relearn mode, allowing you to program a new key. The vehicle's immobilizer light may flash to confirm entry into learn mode. After cycling the ignition to enter learn mode, insert the new blank key into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key to the on position. The system should recognize the new key. This must be done within 30 seconds of entering relearn mode to complete the programming. Using this method, you can program up to 3 keys for your Pontiac Montana. When troubleshooting key programming issues on your 1999 to 2008 Pontiac Montana, several common problems can occur. First, if the programming process fails, the system might lock you out completely. This usually happens when using an incorrect or incompatible blank key. Always ensure you're using a genuine GM transponder key from a reputable source. Another critical issue is incorrect attempts during the ignition cycling procedure. You must complete exactly 10 ignition cycles within 10 seconds to enter learn mode. Any deviation can trigger the vehicle's theft mode, which requires a professional dealer reset, costing between $150 and $300. For persistent problems that don't resolve with basic troubleshooting, an OBD2 scanner becomes essential for diagnosing the issue. This tool can read system codes and check the immobilizer module status. Additionally, the wiring diagram can help verify all connections are secure, especially the antenna ring around the ignition switch. Remember, patience and precision are crucial. One wrong step can mean expensive professional intervention. To summarize, always double-check your blank key authenticity, timing of ignition cycles, and use diagnostic tools when needed. Incorrect programming attempts can lead to theft mode lockout, requiring dealer service. DIY key programming for Pontiac Montana vehicles carries significant risks. Improper programming can trigger system lockouts, putting the car into theft mode where it won't start. This often requires towing to a dealership for expensive professional reset and may even void any remaining vehicle warranties. For those uncomfortable with DIY attempts or after experiencing issues, professional alternatives provide safer solutions. Dealership reprogramming costs between $100 and $300, but ensures proper security. Automotive locksmiths often offer the same service at lower prices with specialized equipment for transponder keys. The future of key programming is evolving rapidly, with trends moving towards keyless and digital solutions. Traditional physical keys are being replaced by smartphone apps and digital systems. Digital solutions are emerging, with smartphone-based entry systems and app-controlled keys becoming the new standard. Predictions indicate that by 2030, physical keys will be largely phased out for new vehicles. While DIY programming remains a viable option for older vehicles like the Pontiac Montana, Ongoing advancements in security systems may lead to increased restrictions on reprogramming these legacy models. Always prioritize security and accuracy when programming transponder keys. Proper programming is essential to prevent vehicle theft and ensure the system's reliability. Success in key programming depends on several factors: the specific model year, the user's skill level, and the quality of tools used. Newer models within the Pontiac Montana range may present more challenges. In conclusion, if you're ever in doubt about programming transponder keys, consult a professional locksmith or dealership. Use only certified tools and keys to ensure security. Stay informed about the latest security advancements in automotive systems.